We will be forgotten. No longer will they say, we are called to duty. Our fear overpowers our purpose. Just give up. We will never change the way the world flies. Our grand ambitions will fail. We can't redefine flight, break barriers. It can't be done. We won't say we can change history. With another impossible mission, with each invention, critics doubt it. But here, we stand in awe. Critics doubt it. With each invention, with another impossible mission, we can change history. We won't say it can't be done. Break barriers, redefine flight. We can't fail. Our grand ambitions will change the way the world flies. We will never just give up. Our purpose overpowers our fear. We are called to duty. No longer will they say, we will be forgotten.